Okay, so previously I purchased a tree here in Indonesia in an attempt to um, continue with my passion in bonsai since most of my trees are in the Philippines. So previously, I think a couple of weeks ago or three, I purchased a serissa here in Indonesia, and that tree has been thriving really, really well. So I thought, why not purchase another one? Okay, so I looked for a tree that I could purchase, and I ended up finding this one from the very same seller where I purchased the previous tree, and I think I like it. It's a semi-cascade juniper, so the price is pretty much the same. So I opted to uh, buy the tree. And here he is. Okay, so I've always wanted to have a juniper as a bonsai material, and I finally got one here. Okay, so this is a juniper, very very small, as you can see. What are the things that I like about this tree? Um, I think I've talked about this in one of my previous videos, that I always look for movement in terms of trunk. So you look at that movement there, and then taper also. So you have thicker trunk in this section, and it tapers down as the tree grows upwards. And okay, so obviously the tree is already almost finished. Okay, the branches are already in place, and the overall shape is already set up. Okay, so what's left for me to do is to maintain the tree, make sure it lives, it survives. Um, but I'm pretty confident that this tree will thrive as well. So okay, I like the pot. It, I think, complements the tree very well. It's deep enough to complement the cascade or semi-cascade form of the tree. Okay, so the tree is perfect for like tabletop bonsai or something like that. Alright, so this is my very first um, juniper bonsai. I've always wanted one, but for the most part my trees are usually ficus and vitex. So I finally have one here, and I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, I purchased this tree from the very same seller that I got my serissa from last time. So alright, so look at that. Okay, so I think the shape is well set. This is the front. If you turn it at the back, you have back branches already set up also. The apex, I think, is not there yet, so I could work on that. Another thing that I could probably develop on this tree in the future would be a shari, if and when the trunk is thick enough. I could create a shari probably some gin, but I can't really see any branches to gin yet. This is still too small. Obviously, as is true for most bonsai, this will not remain in this size forever. You cannot really stop the tree from growing, but I'm pretty happy with what I have for now. Okay, so finally the serissa has a companion here, right? Okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay, as for future videos that you can find, I will be putting up another video where I'll be working on the ficus that I found growing outside our gate. So I'll collect it, kind of like an urban yamadori. But for now, I'm settling in for almost finished bonsais that I purchased. Okay, I really love the tree. I hope you guys would comment also on what you think on about the tree. Okay, alright, so I think that's pretty much it for this video. Have a good day.